Miss G here, and welcome to Camp Whittier. I'm so excited to have all of you guys with me. This week, we're going to be learning about weather, and we're going to be learning lots of things about weather. We're going to be learning about how clouds make rain. We're going to be learning about different types of weather, and we're going to be learning about clouds, and we're even going to follow some weather so we can see about what weather's like where we live. Okay. So today we're first going to talk about, first I'm going to say welcome and make sure that you guys check out Class Dojo so you guys can see the newsletter. It'll give you all your work expectation, different things that you can log into. And also make sure you look at the Camp Whittier Weebly site. That will also give you a lot of the same information, okay? So those are two places that you guys should look to get started. Okay, so to get started today, we are going to start with, what is weather? Now, what is weather? I want you to think about it for a minute. What is weather? So let's think. Let's see. I think weather can be cold. Can it be cold? Yeah, like snow? Like snowing? Yeah, it can be cold like snowing. I think that weather can be cloudy. Lots of clouds outside. Can you think of some more? I think that weather can be windy. Lots of wind blowing. Can be windy. What else can weather be? It can be lots and lots of things. Can it be warm? Absolutely. Weather can be warm. Just like the sun being out. Weather can be warm. Okay. Let's see. Weather can weather be a tornado? I think so. Weather can absolutely be a tornado. That's part of weather. Yes. And weather can also be rainy. It can also be rainy. Okay. Those are all the different things that weather can be. It can be all those things. So today I'm going to show you a quick video all about weather. And in this video, they talk about different types of weather. And one of the things that they ask you to do is they ask you to be a weather watcher. After the video, I'm going to show you how to be a weather watcher. And then I'm going to give you one fun assignment. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to watch a quick video.
Weather by Kristen Baird-Rattini. Look up at the sky. The weather helps us know what to wear and do and grow. It brings rain, wind, and sun. Let's go outside for some fun. What is weather? Peek out your window at the sky. Is it sunny or cloudy? Rainy or windy? You are checking the weather. Weather is what it's like outside at one place at one time. But keep a lookout. Weather can change fast. The sun. The sun warms the land. It warms the air and water too. The sun's heat and light help things grow. Plants and animals need sunshine to live. Question: why did the woman go outside with her purse open? Answer: she expected some change in the weather. Sunny days are fun. You can play outside. Will you go to the park or ride a bike? The sun can make the air outside hot. You can cool off with a swim. clouds. White fluffy clouds are called cumulus clouds. Tiny water droplets float in the air. They group together. They make clouds of all shapes and sizes. White fluffy clouds mean good weather. Weather word, droplet, a very small bit of liquid. Question, what does a cloud wear under its clothes? Answer, thunderwear. Flat gray clouds bring rain. Flat gray clouds are called stratus clouds. Some clouds are thin and wispy. They can look like curls of hair. These clouds float high in the sky. Thin, wispy clouds are called cirrus clouds. What comes from clouds? Drip, drop, down comes the rain. Water droplets in clouds sometimes fall as rain. Rain falls in warm and cool weather. Rain helps plants and animals live. It fills rivers and ponds. Rain forms puddles on sidewalks. Splash. Question, what did the cloud say to the lightning bolt? Answer, you are shocking. Weather word, flurry, a light snowfall that barely covers the ground. Brr, it's cold outside. Water droplets in clouds sometimes freeze. They can fall as hail or snow. If it's hail, you'll see ice. If it's snow, you might get a flurry. Often, a lot of snow means a snow day. Question, what falls and never gets up? Answer, snow. Lightning and thunder. Lightning is a super hot stream of electricity. It lights up the sky. Flash, it zips from the cloud toward the ground. After lightning comes a boom. That sound is thunder. Weather word, electricity, energy that can make heat and light. Rainbows. Have you ever seen a rainbow after a storm? Rainbows are made from sunlight and water droplets. Rainbows paint bright stripes of color in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which color do you like best? Question, what bow can't be tied? Answer, a rainbow. 6 ways weather is wild. Number 1, sometimes water flows where it is usually dry. This is called a flood. Number 2, hail is ice that rains from the sky. It can be small or it can be bigger than a baseball. Number 3, a hurricane brings heavy rain and strong winds. Number 4, very strong winds sometimes twist. They form a tornado. Number 5, it's hard to see in a blizzard. Number 6, sometimes it doesn't rain for a long time. This is called a drought. Weather word, blizzard, a heavy snowstorm with wind. Wind. Wind is moving air. A light wind is called a breeze. A strong wind is called a gale. Wind has energy. It pushes clouds and rain across the sky. Wind can make kites dance. Weather and me. The weather helps you plan your day. Should you wear sunglasses or rain boots? Will you swim or throw snowballs? Wherever you go, the weather is always with you.
Okay, we're going to stop right there. Okay, we learned a lot about weather in that video, didn't we? Okay, so here is your first assignment. So I made a little chart like this, okay? And it says 4 days of weather. So this week, every evening I want you to, or every day I want you to look outside and tell me, what is the weather like? And so I just made a little chart. You can make a little chart however you want, but I just made day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. It's 4 days of weather. So that'll give me Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay. And then I wrote down here, today was. So if I were to be doing it today were Tuesday, and I would say, oh, today was windy, because outside today it was super duper windy today, wasn't it? Okay, so that's what I do. I draw a little picture and then I write, today was windy. Wonder what tomorrow will bring. So this will be your first assignment. So you will track the weather for the next 4 days. Okay, then when you're done with that, I want you to snap a picture of the chart that you made. Snap a picture of it, and I want you to post it onto your Class Dojo portfolio. Please post that by Friday. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is something really fun, and I love this. I'm going to read you a book, and it's called It Looked Like Spilt Milk. I absolutely love this book. And this book is about the different shapes that clouds can make. Okay, so I'm going to read you this story, Looked Like Spilt Milk. Here we go. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. Sometimes it looked like a rabbit, but it wasn't a rabbit. Sometimes it looked like a bird, but it wasn't a bird. Sometimes it looked like a tree, but it wasn't a tree. Sometimes it looked like an ice cream cone, but it wasn't an ice cream cone. Sometimes it looked like a flower, but it wasn't a flower. Sometimes it looked like a pig, but it wasn't a pig. Sometimes it looked like a birthday cake, but it wasn't a birthday cake. Sometimes it looked like a sheep, but it wasn't a sheep. Sometimes it looked like a great horned owl, but it wasn't a great horned owl. Sometimes it looked like a mitten, but it wasn't a mitten. Sometimes it looked like a squirrel, but it wasn't a squirrel. Sometimes it looked like an angel, but it wasn't an angel. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. It was just a cloud in the sky. Okay, so for your second assignment today, you are going to need one blank sheet of paper, and it can be any kind of blank sheet of paper. It can be like this. It can be the ones that have lines like this. Okay, it can be any of that you want or that you have at home, whatever it is that you have at home. Okay, and you can use paper towels. You can use cotton, which I didn't have any cotton, or you can use blue paper, whatever it is that you have, anything that you can rip up, okay? So you are going to take your white sheet of paper, and you're either going to take your paper towels, your cotton, or your blue paper, or if you don't have that and all you have is a white sheet of paper, color it blue. Okay, then you are going to tear up some papers like Miss G did. I tore up papers. See my papers torn? And you're going to glue them down on your white sheet of paper to make a cloud. And I'll show you an example. So here's Miss G's, and at the bottom, look what I wrote. Sometimes a cloud can look like, and these are just papers that I tore and glued down. So let me see if I can finish, because once I started gluing it down, I went, oh, I know what that looks like. So let's see, I'm gonna glue this piece. This one kind of looks like it. So let's see, I have my glue, and my glue right here. Here's my glue. Okay. And all you're going to do is tearing glue. No cutting. There's no cutting. This is called tear art. No cutting. There's no cutting. It's just tearing. Okay, let me keep looking. Okay. Okay. And then this piece. And look at that. To me, sometimes a cloud can look like a bunny hopping across the sky. That's what my tear out came out to be. Once I started doing it, then I tore out a little tail, and then I found two pieces that look like feet, and then I could even give it little bunny eyes and a little bunny nose. And I can give it a little bunny face, you see that? So to me, and then I would finish writing. Sometimes a cloud can look like a bunny hopping across the sky. That's what I'd like for you to do today, is I would like for you to use tear art to create a cloud that you think you would see like in the book we just read. So then I want you to write this sentence. Sometimes a cloud can look like, and then finish it. Mine would be a bunny hopping across the sky. Once you're done with this, I want you to take a picture of it and post it to your Class Dojo portfolio. So those are your two assignments today. Your first assignment was 4 days of weather. You will watch the weather for 4 days and then post your observations to your Class Dojo. Take a picture of it and post your observation to your Class Dojo portfolio. And then the second one is to use tear art using anything you have in your house, even if you have to color paper blue, okay? Anything you have in your house to tear it and glue down. And then write, sometimes a cloud can look like, and then write for me, what can a cloud sometimes look like? I can't wait to see how creative you guys are. Okay, this is Miss G. Again, welcome to Camp Whittier. This is Cabin 1, and I will see you guys again on Wednesday. Bye.